Alright guys, in this video we install subs in Christian's 2004 GMC. Alright, so what we got here, Christian? What's these wires?
We got new concepts, 4 gauge,
okay,
purple OFC, 2 sundown E10s, dual voice coil 4 ohm.
Yep.
Got the sundown 1200 amp with the bass knob and all custom box.
So what does this box fit in?
It fits in, honestly, 99 and up single cabs.
Okay. There we go. Now it's time to pull that out. Alright guys, we pulling the head unit out. Got to disconnect the wires in the back. Just 2 7mm screws. Well, three 7mm screws.
Theo!
Theo Julio! That boy pimping on him, boy. Look at him with the shades.
Designs on the side and everything.
Even hopping out a red Ford. You know they Mexican, boy. All right. Unplug the head unit. That way you can just get the wires, you know. Yep. All right.
Cut it where? Or yeah,
Just cut it right here. Cut it before that. All right. And then this one, that is the, yeah, I cut that one too. All right, yeah, should be able to pull it through.
remote wire.
Yep. This one right here, pull it through.
RCAs. The other remote wire.
That is, let me see, let me pull
Is
it.
it the real one or is it the
No, that runs into one of these wires back here. I think it's a, you remember how these vehicles have like a, they got a wire missing, so you got to run them to the fuse box or a different wire.
Do this though?
We did this a while back when we installed his radio, but his radio plug, the pin came out where the remote turn on wire comes out the plug. So we had to run it, you know, we had to run 2 off of 1 wire. But we'll figure out a way, see if we can fix it or just run it the same way. Put it on the door hinge. Yeah, right there's good. All right, let's try it again.
Is this the one that's supposed to turn on though? Or isn't it like one?
We're just checking it to see if it gets power. There we go. Turns on with the key now. So it is a, it's some type of turn on for, it's not a constant volt. Instead of running the remote turn on to the amp from out here, we got a seatbelt plug that he doesn't use. This one right here, turn your key forward. See it lights up whenever you turn the key forward, turn it off. So that's perfect. You know, we're gonna cut this and go off of it into the amp. I'm gonna cut this right here. There we go. Let's see that connector.
Tuck the rest under the carpet, have a bump coming up. Didn't know you could cut the shit.
Alright.
Probably don't even need that much.
Yeah.
I'll test it.
Take this and put it in here. Someone might say something about putting 2 wires into one, but that's the way we're doing it.
Which ain't nothing if it's not plugged in or anything.
All right.
Right?
Yep. There we go.
Oh,
That's going to be our amp turn on. Turn the key back off. And the amp is going in the same exact spot, so it's perfect. Can't beat that. It might be like a... It turns on with the key. This truck doesn't come with that. You got to run it into the fuse box.
Having an actual crimping tool makes it so much better.
Yeah, you remember what we had to do last time?
Bro, it took way longer than it needed to.
Put it on that one right there. Yep, perfect.
There.
Yeah. So, let's test that. Make sure we're getting hot on it.
Oh yeah, that makes sense because
Turn it on.
it turns on when my key's only right there. My radio does. That's how it used to be, and you know it's good.
Yep. So that's gonna turn your radio on.
Yep. That's how it always was.
And then this one right here that we ran for the amp, that's gonna turn the amp on. They basically do the same thing, but you know, now they're individual wires now, so that's way better. So this is pretty much connected. We can plug that in.
Put the head unit back in. Oh, never mind. We got to run them RCAs.
Yeah, we got to run them RCAs.
We can only run them. Oh, never mind. We can't. Run them.
I would try and put it through the top. Oh, you got it? Okay, perfect. We'll take this. Bro, it's gonna be like so easy doing this, bro.
All right,
I ran it through there. Ran it through in here. So there's a...
Ooh, I found a better spot to run it. So like, cause look, on this side, I wanna show them. It comes out right here. You'll be able to see that if you're like coming in through the passenger side, but I'll probably run it right here. There's a little hole right here. Got one. Got the other. There you go.
Perfect. So you're saying that they say you shouldn't keep this wire together?
Yeah. Cause it'll like bring in like a staticky sound.
Yeah.
Oh well, yeah, we'll run it to the bottom too. I didn't think about that.
So this is gonna be his base knob wire. That's what we're running now. I'm gonna run it through there. Damn, that one was easy.
Yep. And it plugs in right here.
All right, and then this extra probably gonna have to go in the same spot, huh? This is gonna be the wire nest, bro.
As long as they don't start mixing together, we'll be chilling.
And he's gonna run his base knob right here on the top.
Yeah, right here on this one.
Oh, the bottom one?
Yeah.
All right.
Like that.
That's gonna be perfect.
Yep.
All right, let's get to doing
You
it.
wanna...
So those are marks. I can get it through. You got your screwdriver? I think this one might fit. Does it fit on me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might have to hit it at an angle.
Oh yeah, boy.
Should put a porta box.
All right, so before going all the way in, put the other one in.
The 212s, Leos, the porta box, put it in the back of your thing.
Take the back seats out, Leos.
I'm about to say...
Got that extended
Yeah,
cab.
hold up.
Oh my God.
Everyone shoots their shit out, and then we get the talkies going and line up and start songs at the same time. Just be blasting through a whole neighborhood.
I knew this was gonna be a problem.
Right there. Spin it in there.
Like, yeah, boy. That shit straightened up too.
All right, here's the next one. Show the finished product. Perfect.
Now we need to drill the back out
Yeah.
And then run the wire.
All right.
Which
I'll use the biggest one here. Right there.
Sandpaper.
Fits.
Certified way.
Perfect. I don't even know.
You know where they're going?
No. Alright, it's the power wire time. For that boy with that purple power wire.
OFC.
Alright. So we'll take this.
I was about to say, twist it up. And you can't like squish it together with this one?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Nice. We don't want it coming off, bro.
So make sure to smack it. So yeah, it's not going anywhere.
She ain't going nowhere.
I just want to make sure.
I saw this one thing. It was like, I swear, men. It's like men can't ratchet strap anything and not say it's not going nowhere.
'Cause if you don't say that, then it's gonna go somewhere. It's like cursing yourself.
Well, it's gotta be good then. Right.
Nah, gotta make sure. I'm gonna put it right on that corner right there. Let's squeeze it. All right, we good now. That's not going anywhere. We're gonna cut the wire here, run that side into this, and then just run it straight out through the side and into the battery cable. There you go.
Oh, that one went more down than this one. I know you got that bitch tight.
You gotta make sure it ain't gonna come out. Perfect. Right there, that's good. Put the cap on it.
Huh?
Yeah, finishing touch right here.
Almost time.
New concepts.
Sheesh.
Here we
Like
go.
a glove.
The wire comes through here, runs into that. I don't know what the hell this thing is called. I know it's a fuse or something. But it goes in here and into that grommet. And that's the power wire hookup. Okay, so
Where'd Julio go?
he went somewhere.
Saw him leaving.
He just said, you know, if everyone left to lock the door.
Oh, okay. Thought I went to go get something to eat, right?
Probably. Alright, let me see the screw.
You wanna?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get this in like barely,
Alright.
and I'll test it. Let's check it.
There we go.
I'll finish screwing this in.
And then we unscrewed the bottom right.
The what?
We unscrewed this, right? There's no screw in it right now? Or there is?
Yeah, there's only one screw that goes in it.
Is there one in it right now?
Should be. It's this one.
Do it on that side. There's clips on this side. There's no clips on that side.
Alright.
Since they broke, how brittle.
That's how they all were though. In Texas at least. Everything, you know.
It gets all hot.
Yep. Born ready, buddy.
Alright, so what's the status update?
Status update is
Got the hazards on. That's the status.
the head unit's in. Cluster's in now.
I'll take them to the front. Show them the wiring we got. Ran the wiring and the new looming. Yep. 4 gauge to the fuse holder, and then through the grommet.
Yes,
out to the bottom to the center console.
It's spiffy.
Ran the bass knob to the middle shelf, so it'll go like this. I can't see it that well from right here.
Yeah, boy.
Running the remote wire. There you go. Freak yeah.
Just putting that ground in.
Nice and snug. We're just gonna run it straight to there.
So we're gonna put a connector on the end and just take this nut and run it on top.
Y'all wanna give it a couple swings?
You had it in this one, right?
Yeah. I was just spinning it.
Perfect. Tighten that John up.
Shot.
Yep, it's not going nowhere. There you go.
No wires. Better. Oh yeah, boy.
Now our amp should power on, right?
Yep. Got a power light right here.
Where's your? Oh, there it is.
There we go. Got power.
All right.
Sick.
Let's get the subs in.
Sundown E10s, or like the E-series.
E-series
they're
10s.
Technically slim, but I mean, look at them.
And it's a 4-ohm speaker, right?
Yeah.
It's 4-ohm, but he's running it down to a 2-ohm, so he connected to the
2 ohm, then down to a 1 ohm.
Yeah. All right. So I guess doing this turns it down into a 2-ohm. Yeah. Sundown Audio E10s. He's got 2 of them. His brand new box. He's got his wires on the back. And that end's gonna go into the speaker.
What do we do with the screws?
They're right there on your tailgate, right below it. To be honest, go real slow with that.
Yeah, I know. Look at my boxes and shit.
All right there.
Impacts don't play.
I would like go real light and then do it with the screwdriver after. That way you don't over spin it. If it feels good enough with the screwdriver, then you're good to go.
I'll do the other side real quick.
All right, bet. Now we just got that side
We didn't
ready
cut
to
wire
put
for
the
that side
speakers
yet,
in.
right?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, that means we could.
They make connectors that slide inside that little socket.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
He's like, hey, is that my
What's
lunch?
the other agent?
That's my lunch. So?
Hey, that's mine.
So?
Yeah. It's mine now. Straight grab the bag. What was it? Burger King?
Yeah, that shit is so fat.
Man's had a burrito. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby.
Positive.
You know,
Make
you
it
be
feel
good
good
to
to me.
Negative.
Christian already screwed in this side. I'm about to screw in this side. We finally got it all hooked up, so. Y'all know about the extension on the impact. My brother hooked me up with this. Oh no, my dad hooked me up with this. That boy ain't going nowhere. These are drywall screws.
Yep.
Imagine doing this with a screwdriver. How long will it take?
For real.
There we go.
Today, Junior. No.
All right, I'm gonna go up.
Lift it up.
I mean, you got.
Yeah, no. It's all the way against the bottom corner. Is all the way against the wall.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, guys, we got the amp, we got the box, the speakers in. He's got his seat angled to hold it back and it don't touch at all. So now we just got to put the seat back in, but we tested everything and it all works. He's just got to tune it now. All right, guys. Finished up on the subwoofer.